everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Cheers. A fresh hot pot of Java. What a great day of trading today in the Mojo room. It's Monday. We hit the biggest winner with CTIB, $1 million stock picks, guys. It's just amazing, the menagerie of them all. And I saved everyone's life today. No pun intended. You'll see. The Warriors messed up and Mojo took a little advantage. Let's head over to the room. Say hello to the team. Yo, what's going on? Ramey's trading Facebook in the room. Scroll on up, boys. Let me show you what a good day looks like in the Mojo Day Trade room. Shwabang. Scrolling on up to the east side. All right, LLE, we got 10 o'clock this morning. We got a lot of people in here, guys. We hit it on fire. So this morning I'm listening at 9:30, got nothing to do, so I tune in on Ross Warrior, and he's like, dude, all right, here's the deal, dude. I'm going to trade this stock. It's called LIFE. I'm like, all right, I'm looking at it too. It's on the gainers list. It's number 2 on the gainers list. We'll go over what's hot and what's not right here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we get that going right there. Oop. Got a couple of cameras. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's see here. Let me move this. Here. Okay. So it's January 6th, and here's the gainers list. What's hot and what's not. Let me show you. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. So CTIB is number 1. And LIFE is number 2. So I'm listening to Ross. He's like, here's the deal. We're going to trade this stock at the open. And basically, I like it. And because that, we're going to trade it. So we're going to buy it at high 762. We're going to buy it at 750, 760, adding some more at 780 and 90 as it makes a move through $8. I'm like, okay, that sounds good to me. Let's see what it does. It's because right here in the pre-market, scroll back. It's like 8:05 in the morning, and we don't trade in the pre-market, but this thing went from $5 to $8 in the pre-market right there, just on those 2 5-minute bars, and then the market opened at 9:30 right here, and this is where they traded it out. So it opened up, and there was a big bid. I do have a camera on there. So it was a big bid, said let's hold on and wait and watch, and you'll see exactly what happened. So right here at exactly 9:30, you want to mark this down, $7 right there, going under 7. Okay? Going under 7. Hey, what's up, Johnny? What's going on, Ferio? Nice to see you guys on my social. So check this out. It's like 740. And then a thing goes 730, 720. The thing dumps, man, on the open. Because they bought it. It made a rush up to 762. And then it dumped really hard. So I'm like, all right, now let's take it. Yes, it's 702. $7, 702. And the stock runs to 750. So we sell it right there. Nice, right? They bought it 740, 50, and 60. Right? Then it dumped, so they couldn't take no profits, and they got all stopped out on the open. So we took the stop outs. Then when it came back and they bought it back again at 750, 44 again, we sold it. So we sold it right there, sold. And then it dropped again. And I'm like, freaking, I can't even type. I'm like, now, buy now, 708, 715, 720, selling half again at 744. That's 3 times right into that surge.
Yeah. Well, yes. You know why?
We nailed that thing for a beautiful trade. So I sell half, then 55. They're probably buying now, think here's the move that we want. I'm like, sell it again. Boom, sold again at 55 and 49, and it drops again for the 4th time to 708 by 11. I'm like, now buy 695, 708, and then this is the stop outs. Everyone who bought it up that morning at 750, 760 is getting stopped out at 695, and we're going to take those shares right there for a buy. And then when it runs back up, we're going to sell at 19, selling back at 29, and then we're adding because it's going to go back up at 711, and we sold right there. And then from 711, you like not 711, the place like you get Slurpees, $7.11. It auto closes people there at 672. So we jump on it again. That room is getting destroyed, and they're buying our waves. It's unbelievable.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, if you're on the other side of the wave and not on Mojo's side, guys, you know which team to go to. Let me explain something. I played golf this weekend. Amazing, by the way. Amazing, by the way. Let me explain something to you. You go play golf. You're a single. You're joining a chat room. Now, there's a lot of groups on the course. As you could see, they tee you up with a lady playing from the Reds, a grandfather playing from the juniors, and a guy that has the funkiest swing. He teed it off and shanked it directly to the right into the woods. And then you go. You think you're going to play good. Or you come join the Mojo foursome. You got me playing from the tips. You got Ramey striping it like a hole-in-one champion. We're all high level, got our books out, got the goggles, hitting the pins, telling you exactly how far. I mean, your game will be escalated. You're playing with guys that are at a high level. Don't you think you'll do better? Obviously. Same thing with trading.
Well, yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Got to get in the right foursome, baby. So we're selling right here, 704, 714, and 19. And then we're doing this JDST again. Moneymaker ETF. It's an exchange-traded fund, very liquid. We're trading JDST, selling it right here at 970 in that spike. So we traded the CTIB. We traded the life out of the life. And then I said, listen, we're passing on life on the next trade. I saved everyone's life. That's what I meant in the beginning when I was saving everyone's life. Okay, so listen, man, I saved everyone's life. You'll see it coming up. Selling right there, 709.39 from 677. Sold 749, holding a quarter. Boom, out at 740. 6th trade, the 6th in that. 682, 685, 690, selling 709. They're rebuying us again at 682 and 72, filler up and selling at 70.04. So consecutively rode the wave up and down, up and down, up and down like this, like 7 times, baby. Champions. Okay? That's what we did. We did some JDST right here. Look, 960 sold, adding 64, sold 70, sold 80. Buying you guys, selling 70, 40, 70, 13 for the Heinz there. JDST, we're waiting on 3 bars right here at 960 before it goes higher to $10. And there we go. Warrior owns it at 750, 755, 760. It's 695 now. You know where it is right now? 620. 620. Traded you guys for 2 G's, Neo for 500, JDST for 723, and CVS for 41. These are the trades today in the account manager. Called out into the room right there. Quality, 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 and quality. Absolutely. Jake Terrell, $533 of profit for the Heinz. Beautiful. Heinz is beautiful. Some people don't know what it is. They see a lot of those words coming by the room, but then you know. CTB, Heinz 2. Here it is. You ready for the trade of the day? You thought that one was the trade of the day? Dude, no. Life wasn't the trade of the day. This one was. Look, calling CTIB at $2. It never been there before. Write it down, $1.94. Okay? It goes to $4. Watch. $1.94. Right here, you see it? Signal to go lower on the life at $6.96. It's going to go lower. Oh, at $6.96, it's going to go higher through that, then go lower. Okay? Here, $2.10. So it went from $1.94, look, to $2.10, to $2.14, to $2.27, to $2.30, to $2.40, and then it halted. I'm the king of the halts, dude. Check this out. It halted at $2.41 by 42, and it opened up at $2.70. Look, that's the halt. And then it opens up at $2.78 by 85 at $9.57.07. See it? And it goes to $4. Goes to 4. It's at $2.75. So if you're not hitting picks like this, you're in the wrong room. You're in the wrong room. Here's 3 right here. Here's 3.30 by 35 at $9.57. JDST is a beauty too. Man Bun's losing his room money while Mike's handing it out in the Mojo room. That's what we're doing. So if you're in the wrong room, you're in the wrong room. Here's 335 by 50. Here's 360 by 66. Here is, by this time I'm trading nice on these. Allen's up 1,647. Mojo 2153, Macklin 1464, Pray to Joe 811, BN, beautiful day for him, 155. Then it goes 372 from $1.90 to 375. Jesse scores $230. Batman screwed up, but I got a message from him. He made that all back. Mission Impossible profitable. Carl profitable. Ed profitable, Stoy profitable, Pro Trader TB profitable, beautiful. And that's pretty much it. The other room got burned. We hit JDST through 10, sold 10. So you could see the power of the Heinz. Bought it at $9.95, sold it. They got a bad fill, but it was 10 because it's a lot of shares. 9 should be 10, 10.01, and so forth. No fear with the Heinz. No fear. I wish I knew what the Heinz meant. Now you know what the Heinz means. The Heinz means it's a trade play that works with great consistency. Once the price of a stock approaches the whole number and reaches 90 cents just underneath the whole number, momentum and positive expectancy take over and the stock goes through the whole number. It's very simple. It's like a bottle of ketchup. When you first open it, it moves very slow in anticipation of it going over the rim. That's the whole number. You have to tap the bottle once or twice before to get it moving. That's adding shares at 90, 95 as it's approaching the whole number. Then the stock acts like that, just under the number, and it moves slow. Once it gets to the rim at 97, 98, 99, and the even number, it'll Heinz and go through. That's the Heinz trade play. What do we do? And since I've been doing this, I think I did a poll. How many times people have seen the Heinz trade play not work since they've been here? JDST still going. He's long from 973 to 1004 on JDST. JDST 1022 right here. CTIB sick move. Let's see what else we got. My 6 success steps. Fill out the form on my website. Subscribe to the Mojo Room. Actually, it's a little different right now. I reversed some of the steps. I'll show it to you. It's 2012. Here's the question. Everyone in the room. It's 2012 now. From 2020. All the pros. In a variety of different years, everyone has been here. Has anyone ever seen a Hines trade not work? Alan, no. See that? No.
For the last time, no.
Bohan has been here since 2013. 7 years. He's never seen one not work.
No.
I've never seen one not work.
No.
Mission Impossible.
No.
Oliver.
N-O.
Wolf.
No.
So right here, go to my site, fill out this form, get educated in the Mojo program, learn that Mojo trade with my success steps. Terrific.
No.
Raimi.
No.
What I've seen is stupidity from people like myself that think they know it all when they don't. Psychology, get over yourselves.
No.
Haha, good one.
Yes.
Listen to me in the Mojo U, guys. Here, TVIX, Mini Hines, it sure did. You guys, Hines 68, it sure did. 68.22. You want to see something cool? Watch. See, look, Hines 69 sold 69.08. Buying 68.9, sold 69.08, buying 68.96 to go through again for another payday. Ching. Pick GBTC right here for a swing pick. This is GBTC at 794. It's 9. Pick the other day. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Scroll, scroll, scroll. I know what day is not to trade TVIX, that's for sure. All right, watch this. Watch the power of the Mojo system. You see this you guys is popping? You see the 11 I circled there? That's one seller, and they all line up. It's bullish. It's going to go through the large number on the ask. It's 229.31. Watch. See? Signal there. It's headed to 50. You right? Ready? 68.36 to 45. I told you. I told you.
Yeah, baby.
Look, 68.47 to 55. 2 minutes and 2:30:55 p.m.
Yeah.
Well, yes.
660 by 70. Does it go higher?
Maybe.
Let's check it out. 231 at 231.29 at 68.70 by 78.
Give me a Y. Give me an E.
Told you.
Yeah.
68.73 by 89. 68.83 by 90. I told you. Signal at 69 right there. You see the 13? It's going to go through. Just like the signal there before. Exact same one. Watch. Boom. Told you. Told you right through 69. There it goes. 92. 95. Look at the signal. The 53. It's going to go higher. Large ask means it's going higher. Watch. Boom. From 236, you hesitated 16/10 of a second. You missed it. It's that fast. The ketchup flies so damn fast. Loving it. It's just like a commercial, baby. Boom. 69.14. Told you. Told you. Told you. And that's how we do it. Told you. Told you. Told you. So nice day. We traded you guys, made $2,175 with the team, Neo 507, JDST 723, and CVS $41. Good trading for the day, folks. Let me share some Mojo U testimonials I got in my email, if you don't mind. Let's check it out. Lots of this was last night at 12:22 p.m. or today. It says lots of information here to learn and retain. Thank you for putting so much time and energy into what truly has been an instructive program. I'm looking forward to implementing this as I progress. I don't know when you're able to sleep, seeing how much effort goes into all this, but it's definitely well learned. Thank you for that testimonial. Let's see. The next one I got was at 12:22. This one was at 2:19 a.m. last night. It says, from $1 to $2 poker table blinds analogy. Increasing sizing to make more money. Systematic scalpers, put on your goggles, ride out the stochastics. Heinz is a business. Everything else is just for fun. Understand price increments, stopping stations, buy and sell at the same prices every time. Market makers are required to trade in an orderly manner. Wait for Mike's second lower entry. If it stops, doesn't go over the 07 break, sell it all. If it prints 11, it'll go 19.20 every time. Mojo guarantee. So many aha moments happening in here. What I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. What I would appreciate, guys, is a little help on my show rather than putting out picks in the room that no one's going to do. Rather, chat with me about the day and input there than here. Thank you. Much appreciated, because I put a lot of effort into what I'm doing. I appreciate it. So I guarantee aha moments in Mojo University. Let's see the next email I got. That was at 2:19. This was at 11:59 on Sunday. Patience is a must. Stop losses and the ability to look at losers matter. Thank you very much for taking the time from your life to teach all of us. Nice office. I'm liking the learning board model. Very visual and easy to understand. Heinz at 45 and 47, sell through, and 90, 95, and 97, then sell through. Wave theory, what a concept. Volume, float, price, pre-market scans. I will not trade pre-market. I will not leave the reservation. I will have patience. I will learn my buying sequences and track my trades. If the stock is not trading 1 million shares, don't waste the trader's time. Got it. Off to do my homework assignments. Prop on the chip twirls. That's butter. Thank you so much. Thank you for the testimonials, guys. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Absolutely. Nice. So if you like the video, guys, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So when I go live, you get notified. Just click the bell, and every time I get live, you'll get notified. Check that out. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it, Mojo. Appreciate it. John Terrell, Pro Trader Wolf, only person chatted with me on, and Ferio said hello. Appreciate it. You're welcome, Freefall. This guy's not even a member of the room. Only person that answers me in the room, guys, and has kismet and thank you, he's not even a member. Free faller, you're a member of the room right now. Free month. Done. Thank you. Pro Trader Free Faller. Done. And you got Mojo University for free. Done. Welcome aboard, buddy. Welcome aboard. You got Mojo University for free. Start watching it tonight. You're welcome. See that he even joined about an hour ago. Great. I'll give you one-on-one mentor. Anytime you want. Forever. Because you're my friend. Help me out. I don't forget that. Done. No problem. I'll give you my swing trade newsletter and the course too. Done. Only guy to help me out, not even in the room. Appreciate it. All right, let's head back to the show. Everyone's away. All right. Let's see what JB's up to today, man. I know he's always cool. JB is always cool. All right, JB's got a new one.
It's so magically soft and comfortable.
What's up, y'all? Today is another interview on the water out here at CWC Wake Park, and I'll be interviewing Raph Trinidad today. So make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram in the description below. But yeah, he's a super good young gun ripper, and yeah, he's about to hop on the water now. Woo! What's up, dog? What's up? Ollie back 5 on the spot. Too easy. All right, so where are you from? I'm from Laguna, Cebu. And yeah, right now based in Laguna where Republic is. So Raph has zero preparation for this right now, but just give me a whole lap. Let's do it. Oh my God. He's doing pretty good so far, only one mess up. Alright, about to approach the back line. Oh no, the Jeep, last feature. Oh, you wanna do one more kicker hit? Yeah. All right. Oh. So someone fell on the right kicker, so this is really random right here. We lost him. So that was a pretty crazy one lap. You want to hop back out there? For sure. Get it. How did you get started wakeboarding? I I started wakeboarding because of my uncle. So he was the first wakeboarder in my family, and he let my mom try it. And then when my mom told me about it, I just got hooked straight away. So I heard you started wakeboarding on a boat wakeboard, so you couldn't hit features, otherwise you'd void the warranty. Tell me about that. So yeah, to be honest, I had no idea that was a boat wakeboard, because I was just so stoked to have a new board. So yeah, basically what happened was I couldn't hit features.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching that good video with me today.
Yes.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Love watching the wakeboard videos. So let me show you else what's going on here for the day and what we got trading. So I have the test now available in MOJO University. The MOJO University final exam right here. It's called the April final exam right there. You see that? And once you put in the password that I gave you, and you click continue, you put your first name, last name, and email address in, and this is what it is. You have the number of questions is 70. You have an hour and 30 minutes. You have to finish it in one seating. Right there. Questions displayed per page is 1. Will not allow you to go back and change your answers. Will not let you finish any question unattempted, and you have to pass with an 80. So if you click 70 questions with a time limit of 90 minutes, will not allow you to have to pass with an 80. Okay? Question 1. In order to trade with 80% accuracy, you must apply the following. True or false? The trend is your friend. Stocks in motion sometimes stay in motion, but may turn, so be careful. Is that true or false? Is that true or false? What's the answer? I'm going to put, what are you going to put? True? False? What are you going to put? Well, I'll show you what I'll put. How about not? And we'll go to the next question. Question number 2. When starting your day trading day, what is the best answer? A, B, C, or D? Trade pre-market as much as you can, but be consistent. Look at stock futures at 5 a.m. Get an idea for which direction of the trading day. C, just wing it. Or D, none of the above. A, B, C, or D? Redhead, you got the first one wrong. Redhead, you got the first one wrong. Let me show you something, guys, because the Mojo chat room is not participating with me. I'm on right here. If you scroll down, get rid of my name banner. I'm on right here. I'm on Do Not Disturb. See the red? I'm not even talking in the room because I'm on YouTube and no one participates with me in the room. So you want to find some education and some entertainment? The best way to learn is this, let me tell you. I'm the pro golfer. Come to the driving range and let me teach you to play and help you like I'm trying to do. Now, if you sit in the cart or in the bar, that ain't gonna do nothing. You gotta come on the range. You gotta let me grab you. You gotta participate. If you participate with the program, you learn it a lot better than being on the sidelines all quiet. Okay? So nothing's going on in the room because they're all quiet and they don't participate. Awesome. Great job. I'm glad USA is deploying B-52 in Diego. That's just wonderful. You know what that has to do? Let me show you. What he just put in the room. Okay. Now, what he just put in the room right there, let me show you what that has to do with this. Trade pre-market as much as you can, but be consistent. Would that in your life have anything to do with your career and your routine every day? Look at stock futures at 5 a.m. to get an idea of the direction of the day. Just wing it or none of the above. What is the right answer? If you don't know what the answer is, you need to take the course because you have no idea what you're doing. No one's trying to even guess and go for the answer? No problem. I'll put my answer in. I know what it is. Correct. Here's another type of question you'll get on the test. There's a minute, an hour, and 25 left. If the stock is trading heavy volume and it's 1 million shares by 8:30 and 3 million by 9:45, is it safe to say the volume by the end of the day will be closest to what number? 3, 5, 30, or 300 million? Better know that this what it is, guys. This is the secret sauce that teaches you how to cook in the kitchen, man. Okay? This is how I do true or false. Look, true or false. See? It's the greatest test. It's all visual. It's great, guys. That's Mojo University final exam. When you pass, you get a graduation certificate letting you know you passed and you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Habits up there. You want to get a burger? Habit. All right. So yeah, I built a new page on my site. Check it out. Thanks for reminding me. So right here, day trading programs, guys. If you want to learn to day trade by studying the same courses and practicing on the same trade plays today, hundreds of successful pro traders are using in the Mojo chat room. You get your Mojo on and you become the next pro trader and you fill out this form right here. You'll start your own day trading business. The success steps, there's 6 of them. Step number 1 is you subscribe to the Mojo chat room. You're a small first-time trader and I'm giving you a discount just to the chat room of $99 a month. You fill out the trader application form above right here and ask you what program you want to go with, which is the trader program. For $1,000, you get $10,000 of intraday capital, maximum daily loss of $100, receive 100% of your net profits you generate monthly. You get the discounted charge to the room. You want to do the $3,000 Pro Trader program, you get $60,000 in capital, maximum drawdown $500. You receive 100% of your trading profits, and you get the discounted chat room. Or you can look at the master program and trade with 100,000 in capital with a daily max loss of $750. And what I've done is I've talked to several firms to see where the best service, support, platform, and cheapest commission rates are for the pro traders on the MOJO Day Trading team. I've scoured the internet, guys. I'm pleased to introduce a pioneer trading group, PTG. Most prop firms out there charge a pretty penny and are not really looking out for the trader. They want you to lose, so they operate in ways to make it very hard for traders to win. I know this, but they know this, but will not make the necessary changes needed so the trader has the edge and advantage needed to win. That's the bottom line. So MOJO Day Trading found the solution to this problem. Now starting trading for a firm that really cares and supply you step-by-step tools to be a successful trader. Trade firm capital with intraday and overnight buying power. You get pre-market and after hours available, institutional pass-through commission rates, low account minimum starting with as little as 1,000, aggressive payout rates, level 2 direct access platform, remote trading worldwide, organized, reliable reporting, and world-class support. That's the Pioneer Trading Group. Helps traders receive financial resources while using their trading skills to profit from the most exciting markets in the world. They're required to go through the MOJO University Day Trading Education course in order to be able to trade firm capital. PTG provides the intraday buying power needed so each trader, according to their education, professionalism, and risk. MOJO Day Trading is completely separate, guys. Arm's length from PTG. It's just a firm I'm hooking you up with. I don't accept, or MOJO does not accept, any funds or anything from traders or nothing like that. The only risk you got is the capital required to fund your account with zero risk beyond that. Traders keep 100% of the profits generated while trading with the PTG, and it allows you to focus on profitability while enhancing your expertise. Read about the TradeX platform. It's level 2, buy and sell, quick buttons, advanced charting, trade manager. Here's some frequently asked questions that you might want to know about that are all covered on this page. Go ahead and get that out, fill out that form, and let's get you funded and started there as a trader with one of the best firms out there that I hooked everybody up with. That's what I do.
Well, yes. Yes.
The answer, John. The answer. Ooh. You guys need to take that test, man, for the MOJO U. Crazy. What do we got here? What stocks we got trading here this afternoon? CTIB 311, Club 243. To see if we got anything going on here at the close. Life 577. Look at it dump, huh? Perfect example, guys, of what I teach in MOJO University. Opposite GG. Opposite GG. So this is an OPP. Right here, let me show you. This right here. So this is an OPPGG. That's an OPPGG. Here you go. down drops on the money, all taught Mojo University. Right there. So what I'll do is I'll head over to the Mojo room. I'll scroll up to my Mojo University, how to set up hotkeys on TFS, 15-minute rail grind. Here's the swing trade newsletter structure. For a 50-cent stock, you put in $2,000. Entry for the first is 500. Entry for the second is 500. Then when you have a direction on which way it's going, you add your 1,000. On a $1 stock, it's $3,000. On a $3 stock, it's $4,000. On a $5 stock and above, it's $5,000 per pick. Tells you how to scale in to the pick and how to do the 3 buys from entry number 1. If the stock goes higher, if it goes lower, or it stays the same, what to do. All right there with the structure, how Mojo scales in. We start all positions with 2 buys. We start all positions with 2 buys. 2. Do buy number 1, then wait for the first dip after making a new high for the day and get your number buy 2, because the trend is your friend. Stocks in motion stay in motion. The buy 2 should be doubling the amount of shares you did on buy 1. Separate the buys by 1 or 2 price increments on the first dip depending upon the price of the stock. Both buys are done in the same day. That's if it's going higher. If the stock's going lower, do buy 1 and then have patience as the stock goes lower to get buy 2 with lower price increments lower, looking for a low of the day on the stock. Both buys are done in the same day. If the stock stays the same, do buy number 1 and then have the patience as the stock goes lower or higher if in the same increment to execute number 2 above or below. Both buys are done in the same day. And then you wait for the third one. It's beautiful. So that's an opposite GG right there. It's an OPG GG. Overstock's moving, he says in the room. Let's check it out. How about RAD? 1330. RAD looks good. I like RAD. Right here. RAD into 50. I like that. It's 1330. 1331. I'll add a 5. You said overstock is moving? Let's check it out. OSTK. 821. Wow, it popped from 7, bro. Damn. Too bad JB sold that pick, right? JB's Jason Bond picked that at 7. Sold it for a loss. Didn't make no money on it. Didn't make no money on that sucker. We're back online in the Mojo room. Hey, Mojo Day Trading back online in the Mojo Day Trading room. Pro Trader Mike back online in the Mojo Day Trading room. I know you guys are all got a lot of things going on, but the people that are here listening to me, we do have a bunch. Not anymore. I made everyone leave. Everyone just leaves. It's amazing. Dude, Ross must do something, man. What does Ross do? That warrior guy that has 2,000 people watching his YouTube. He'll log 2,000. I have 16. And 14 are from my room, and 2 are my family members. So it's unbelievable. All everyone does is make money in my day trading chat room. All I do is talk about educational great picks and how to do everything. And nobody watches. What do I got to do? Here's my car. How about if I drove around in that car? That might get some attention, right? This guy right here makes $600,000 in my room. $205,000 trading in the last 3 days. He's made $1 million in the last 60 days. Pro Trader Richie. No one cares. Look, live, 4 viewers. It's unbelievable. But I'll keep on making the videos, man. You know why? Because YouTube pays me. The ads that go by, better ask somebody. Mojo gets the checks coming in, so you don't have to do nothing, man. But eventually, once you watch it, you'll be a hater. You'll say, I'm going to dislike that guy's video. As soon as you do that, bam, Mojo got paid. So, yeah, man. Yeah. So, Alan made 1647, 2153, 1464, 811. It's like this every single day. Every single day. Every single day. It's amazing. There's a whole bunch of weed there. Here's my comic strip for this week. It's a cool day as the Pro Trader Ace gets ready to trade. Hey, Mojos. Up here. This is the Mojo comic featuring good old Charlie Brown. Here's the World War III Pro Trader getting ready for the open. As the bell rings, the spy is approaching. Great Scott, the spy balloon is setting a new high. There's the spy with the balloon. Oh, the spy's leaving. The trade cannot get away. Good grief, no more buying power. I can't let that trade get away as I dive in and go into UVXY mode. Oh, boom. Some of those ETFs are pretty brutal, though. Like trading UV today. That was my comic for you guys that know about UVXY. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, yeah, man. Went over everything I wanted to today. Showed my JB. There's the road, man, to your financial freedom. Mojo University, boys. All right, we got 332 on RAD. What's the news on Overstock? I wonder what it was. Let's check it out. New CEO, maybe? High Times names former Overstock president as its CEO. Pivots towards cannabis distribution model. Yeah, High Times magazine, because they're going to go public. They're going to go public. Overstock announces, yep, nice. Nice. Nice, building a position. The Rad's moving nicely. Here's my Google business needs something. Hello? No, you got the wrong number. No problem. Wrong number. What else we got going on? Kala and CLSD did good. CLSD's 240. Kala 480. Smiles Direct 1027 also did good today. TRNX. Jivo should make a move one of these days. 235. It's kind of like TRNX and some of them other ones. So that's about it today, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching the Mojo Day Trading Show. Hopefully you learned a lot of great things today. about the stock market, about trading, about wakeboarding, about MOJO, about some of the traders. And remember, it's all for educational purposes, obviously. So anytime you want to know something, just come in and then I'll ask the cat. And when the cat tells me the answer, I'll let you know what it is.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There the answer comes.